My name is Paul. This is my house, where I live with my wife Lucy and our children Hugo and Emma. Myfox home alarm watches over our house and our family. When we leave in the morning, we don't have to worry. The smart sensors proactively alert us in case of a break-in attempt. It recognizes who's allowed in and who's not. Even when we're not around, I can count on my friends and neighbors to look after our house. It's our trusted community.
Tell me that when we are alone.
You are all, yeah, you are all that I. You are all.
It's simple and easy to use. And we no longer worry about accidentally setting off the alarm. It lets us know who's coming and going. It gives us peace of mind.
You're the only one, my dream.
We like knowing that everything is okay at home. It's reassuring, and sometimes even fun.
You are all that I. You are all that I.
I watch over them, and Myfox watches over us.